महिलाओं के लिए बहुत अहम मीटिंग है। यहाँ से थोड़ा भी इंस्पिरेशन लेके एमपीज जाएंगे और पार्लियामेंट में ये इश्यूज उठाएंगे तो बिल के लिए बहुत अच्छा होगा।
मैम एक चीज़ और है कि आपने बोला पार्टीज़ को इनवाइट किया गया है, तो क्या कांग्रेस भी आज ज्वाइन करने वाली है इस मीटिंग को?
देखिए, हमने तो इनविटेशन दिया है, हमने तो रिक्वेस्ट किया है, तो अगर कांग्रेस पार्टी को अपना रिप्रेजेंटेटिव भिजाना है तो भिजा सकते हैं। डजेंट मैटर हुएवर इट इज़, इफ़ इट इज़ अ पार्टी रिप्रेजेंटेटिव। हमने तो इनवाइट अभी भी किया है, धरने पे किया था। इश्यू इम्पॉर्टेंट है, कौन सा पार्टी आ रहा है, उस पार्टी का कमिटमेंट क्या है, आते वक्त पे पता चल जाएगा, लेकिन इश्यू इम्पॉर्टेंट है और वक्त कम है, सिर्फ 2 सेशंस है, इतनी भारी बहुमत वाली सरकार है, तो 2 सेशन में कितना भी हम प्रेशर बिल्डअप कर सकते हैं। अगर उतना बिल्डअप करेंगे तो ज़रूर महिलाओं के लिए, हिंदुस्तान के लिए पूरे तरीके से ये बहुत लाभान्वित होगा। तो इसीलिए हम ये प्रेशर बना के रख रहे हैं।
ऑपोजिशन पार्टीज जो है आज प्रोटेस्ट मार्च करने वाली हैं ईडी की रेट्स के खिलाफ, और कल आपको भी सम्मान है, आपको भी अपील हो रहा है, इसमें क्या कहना चाहेंगे मैम?
देखिए, आज हिंदुस्तान भर में एक यूनिवर्सल मुद्दा है। जो भी ऑपोजिशन में है, जो भी मोदी जी के खिलाफ बोलेंगे, जो भी बीजेपी के फेल्यूर्स को एक्सपोज करेंगे, उनको तो बुलाना ही है और सताना ही है। तो वो नॉर्मल कोर्स हो गया आजकल ये, लेकिन अनफॉर्चुनेट है। डेमोक्रेसी में ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए। सबकी आवाज़ की रिस्पेक्ट होनी चाहिए, सबको सवाल उठाने का अधिकार होना चाहिए, और जब वो अधिकार नेता भी खो जाएगा तो कल जनता भी खो जाएगी। तो यह नेता के पास रुकने वाला नहीं है। पहले उन्होंने जो बिजनेस हाउसेस थे उन पे रेड किया, उनको कंट्रोल करने का कोशिश किया, देन पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज़ को भी कंट्रोल करने का कोशिश कर रहे। तो बचा कौन है अभी? नेता के बाद तो जनता के पास जाएंगे। तो जनता जितनी जल्दी ये बात समझ लेगी कि ये तानाशाही कितनी हद तक जा सकती है, उतना देश के लिए अच्छा है। लेकिन हम लड़ेंगे, हमने कुछ गलत किया नहीं है, तो जब भी वो बुलाएंगे जाएंगे, जवाब दे देंगे, आ जाएंगे, बस। और क्या कर सकते हैं।
Ma'am, today you are going to take a meeting of high-level meeting, round-table meeting in the hotel. What do you say about it?
Well, the constitution of our nation has given a brilliant article called Article 14, which speaks about equality before law, every citizen to be treated equally. A women's reservation bill can be a first step towards achieving this equality, because it will empower half of our population of this nation. And I truly believe that if 180 200 member of parliaments, women parliamentarians, stand up in the Lok Sabha, in a Rajya Sabha and in assemblies and speak about issues, it will ultimately lead to the true empowerment of women across every sphere in this country. So women reservation bill is a must. We are fighting for it. So step 1 was to stage a dharna protest at Jantar Mantar. Step 2, we are holding a round table conference. This is a very high profile, high level meeting, as you rightly said, because this is a meeting where key members who are the change makers, who are the member of parliaments, who can press and pressurize the government by using parliamentary procedures. So that is the agenda of the meeting today. We are going to request the honorable members of parliament from various parties, whoever will come to the meeting, that they can introduce a private members bill, they can ask for a lot of questions about women's reservation bill, they can raise the issue in 0 hour, they can give an adjournment motion, they can do a special mention, they can correlate and coordinate with other political parties to build up the pressure on the government. See, this is a historic moment where this government has a brutal majority in both the houses, and they can pass the bill in a matter of days, which can change the fate of this country for good, which can be very, very helpful for India as a nation to progress. So I believe this bill is important, and today's roundtable conference is going to remain in history, because if even half of the members who attend the roundtable conference get inspired and start doing using these parliamentary procedures in favor of women of this country, I'm sure women's reservation will become a reality very soon.
As you said, many parties have received the invitation. So will Congress join the meeting today?
Well, I hope so. We've invited everybody. We've reached out to everybody, requesting them to send their representative. Because this is a discussion about what can be done inside the parliament to make sure women's reservation bill can be achieved. People like us who are not in the parliament currently can do things outside, but inside the parliament, the pressure to be built up on a government is different. I really hope Congress will send their representative. If not, also it's okay. We will keep fighting. Ultimately, this is a fight for the women of this nation. This is not a fight for 1 or 2 parties to come together. So it doesn't matter. The women of this country should win. The sooner all the parties realize, the better it is.
So many opposition parties going to do a protest march against the ED raids today. So how do you see that?
Well, I'm really glad opposition parties are doing that today because um, the kind of atmosphere in this country that is there, the raid and rule culture that is there in this country today, trying to intimidate the opposition parties and curb their political voice, this is not going to stop there. Today they are targeting the parties, tomorrow they will target the people. And parties, politicians, we are responsible to protect our people, so we are going to march. Many parties are joining the march. I'm really happy about that because there is a draconian section called Section 15 ED in particular. Well, if you do anything wrong or you don't do anything wrong, they have a right to arrest you. And then the tragedy is that the victim himself has to prove that he is not guilty. I mean, fighting against a massive state and system, it is very difficult. So this draconian law, until it goes, the fight should be on. ED, CBI, IT, these agencies should not target the opposition. So the march is justified and we should keep at it. Thank you. సగం అని చెప్పి మహిళలకు సమానమైనటువంటి స్థానం ఉండాలి పార్లమెంట్లో అనే అంశంతో మహిళా రిజర్వేషన్ బిల్లు ఉండాలని చెప్పి భారత్ జాగృతి ఆధ్వర్యంలో కార్యక్రమాలు చేస్తూ ఉన్నాం. మొన్న జంతర్ మంతర్లో పెద్ద ఎత్తున ధర్నా చేయడం జరిగింది. ఇవాళ దానికి కొనసాగింపుగా ఒక రౌండ్ టేబుల్ కాన్ఫరెన్స్, అంటే పార్లమెంట్ బయట చేసే కార్యక్రమాలు పార్లమెంట్ లోపట చేసేటటువంటి కార్యక్రమాలకు చాలా అంతరం ఉంటుంది. ఇవాళ జరిగేటటువంటి రౌండ్ టేబుల్ కాన్ఫరెన్స్లో ఎక్కువగా ఎంపీస్ని అన్ని పార్టీస్ నుండి పిలిచి పార్లమెంట్ లోపల పాటించాల్సినటువంటి పద్ధతులు, అంటే ఉదాహరణకి ఒక ప్రైవేట్ మెంబర్ బిల్లు పెట్టవచ్చు మహిళా రిజర్వేషన్ కోసం, 0 అవర్లో క్వశ్చన్ అడగవచ్చు, స్పెషల్ మెన్షన్ చేయవచ్చు, అడ్జర్న్మెంట్ మోషన్ ఇవ్వచ్చు. ఇట్లా రకరకాల కార్యక్రమాల ద్వారా పార్లమెంట్ లోపల ఎట్లా ఒత్తిడి తీసుకురావాలి ప్రభుత్వం మీద అనేటటువంటి అంశాలను డిస్కస్ చేయడానికి ఇవాళ ఒక మంచి పెద్ద ఎత్తున కాన్ఫరెన్స్ పెట్టడం జరిగింది. ఈ కాన్ఫరెన్స్లో చాలా పార్టీల ఎంపీలు వస్తామని చెప్పడం జరిగింది. చాలా సంతోషం. వారి మద్దతును కూడగడదాం. రానటువంటి పార్టీలను కూడా ఫ్యూచర్లో వచ్చే విధంగా పార్టీల మీద పార్లమెంట్ లోపల ఒత్తిడిని పెంచుతాం. మహిళా రిజర్వేషన్ బిల్లు వచ్చేంత వరకు పట్టుదలతో ముందుకు సాగుతాం. థ్యాంక్ యూ.